Kepler 442b is an exoplanet discovered by NASA's Kepler spacecraft. It's located about 1,120 light years away from Earth in the constellation Lyra. It orbits a K-type main sequence star, Kepler 442, which is smaller and cooler than our Sun. This star is about 60% as mass as the Sun and about one-third as bright. Kepler 442b is within the habitable zone of its star, also known as the Goldilocks zone. This means it's at a distance from its star where conditions might be right for liquid water to exist on its surface. The planet itself is likely rocky and considered to be a super-Earth, a planet that has a greater mass and radius than Earth but less than the ice giants. Kepler 442b has a mass around double that of the Earth and a radius 30% greater than the Earth. The equilibrium temperature, that is the temperature of the planet if their version and atmosphere is its 233 kilometers minus 40 degrees Celsius or minus 40 degree Fahrenheit. Kepler 442b orbits 380 lakhs miles, 6,012 lakh kilometers from its stars and takes approximately 1,012 Earth days to complete a full revolution. Determining the atmospheric composition of the planet cannot be conducted due to its being too far from the Earth. Proxima Centauri b is located about 4.24 light years away from Earth, making it the closest known exoplanet to our solar system. It orbits Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star that is much smaller and cooler. Red dwarfs are known for their frequent subtle phenomena, which could potentially strip away the atmosphere of any orbiting planets. Proxima Centauri b is within the habitable zone of its star, but the intense radiation from the star could pose challenges for life as well. The mass of Proxima b was previously estimated to be 1.3 Earth masses. The accuracy of the new measurement of 1.17 Earth masses is unprecedented. Proxima Centauri is the nearest star to our Sun, although it is actually part of the three-star system, including the two-star of Alpha Centauri. They may be the closest stars, but the planets don't transit in front of Proxima Centauri as seen from Earth, as most exoplanets are found. So astronomers have had to use the radical velocity method to find them, where the planet's gravity causes a slight wobble in the star's motion. While little is known so far about what Proxima Centauri b is actually like. Just the fact that it exists around the nearest star to our solar system. Supposed previous research showing that Earth-sized and super-Earth-sized exoplanets are commonly in our galaxy, that it's exiting the bodies while the search for life everywhere. The TRAPPIST-1 system is about 39 light years away from Earth and contains 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting a tiny, ultra-quinning dwarf star called TRAPPIST-1. 3 of these planets, TRAPPIST-1e, F, and G, are located within the star's habitable zone, where conditions might be right for liquid water to exist on their surfaces. The TRAPPIST-1 system gained significant attention because of the potential of multiple Earth-sized planets within the habitable zone of a single star. While the potential for liquid water exists on these planets, their habitability depends on factors such as their atmosphere, surface conditions, and the amount of stellar radiations they receive.